Hello, this is a small screencast by Tran Giang. In this video, we're going to talk about journal entry and how to record accounting transaction. By the end of it, you should be comfortable doing straightforward basic journal entry. Wow, what's an eye-catching image here with all the colorful words and symbols. But let's not worry about that because we need to get good understanding about the most basic accounting equation first, otherwise the image is useless. So here we have assets equal liability per shareholder equity, and here's a little example of each account before we can go to the next step. Now come to the exciting part. When you look at the picture, you might notice that when there's one thing happen to one side of the accounting equation, something equal happen on the other side. Let's say I go somewhere to buy something. Assume I bought that for cash, so cash would go down, as cash is my asset, so when assets go down, it is credit. It's not sufficient to have up and down arrows in accounting transactions, so in accounting we use debit and credit. Debit is always on the left side and always be recorded first in a journal entry. Credit always on the right side, and the two accounts have to be balances. By the end, it's all about memorizing and practicing, so if you find the image is a little confusing, here's a breakdown version and an example on how to record journal entry. First of all, we're going to talk about assets. And once again, debit on the left side and credit on the right side. In assets, we debit what comes in and credit what goes out of the business. On the other hand, in liability and shareholder equity, we debit what goes out of the business and credit what comes in the business. For example, on 16th of March 2012, purchases equipment for $7,000 cash. So here is the journal entry of the transaction. Step 1, we dated the transaction. Step 2, we record a debit account first. So as the business purchases equipment come into business as an increase in assets. So we debited equipment and $7,000 goes on the debit column. Step 3, record a credit account. The business purchases equipment for cash as an asset. So as an asset go out of the business, so we credit the cash and $7,000 goes on the credit column. Step 4, we make sure the debit and credit accounts are balances. So here we have $7,000 and $7,000. And remember that there's no dollar sign when recording journal entry. Right here we have a good journal entry. Isn't it easy? Yes, journal entry are simple. All you need to do is keep practicing when you can, so that you can memorize all the rules easily.